beautiful shit coming, nigga. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. It's your boy Mad Dog back with an episode of Mad Dog Reviews. We got a fresh Monday review for y'all to start y'all Monday off the right way. You know what I'm talking about? Just less churches, as you can see. And I hope y'all like that little miniature blog. I'm gonna chop all this up into one vid. So anyway, let's get into it. French fries, sauce. We got this new biscuit tenders. Biscuit tenders right here with a biscuit. I love they biscuits. They biscuits be off the chain. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Fries. Open on that. Come with two sides, of course. Got the open in the bag. Fries. This what we here for though. The biscuit tenders. Smell good. Smell good. Look good. Look at that. Delicious. Oh my God. Okay, man, we're gonna get into this. We gotta review this thing. Let's try it, y'all, man. They hot. What? Thing hot. Biscuit tenders, man. The churches. Let's try it. Dip it in that little sauce right there. Dang good. It really good. Crunchy. Hot. Let's try it again. It's mouth watering. Definitely mouth watering, man. Got a good taste to it and everything. Mouth watering. Real good. Got a great crunch. I'm gonna give Church's biscuit tenders. I'm gonna give these a perfect 10 out of 10. I love this. I love the batter. It's battered than like biscuit. I don't know how the hell they did it, but it's good. I don't know how they did this, but it definitely got a crunch to it. Definitely got a crunch to it. Definitely got a crunch to it. I love that barbecue sauce, man. They got the best barbecue sauce too. It looks delicious. Dip it again so y'all see it. Y'all need to try this. Like I said, I give it a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this.